Hey guys, press the bell icon and never miss a video from Aola DIY.
Hi guys, this is Malika here from Aola DIY, and today I have another exciting project for all of you using the new Cricut Joy. A few weeks back I was contacted by Cricut PR team to do a video on their products, and they generously sent me all these amazing goodies which I am going to play with, and I'm going to teach you guys how easy it is to make some projects using them. The way Cricut Joy is designed, this is a very powerful machine, guys. It can just do wonders. And the way it is designed is that any dummy or any person who has never ever done crafting can, do wonders with this. So today we will be learning 5 projects in 10 minutes, and I'll try to use all the goodies which they have sent me so that I can show you guys all the possibilities using these particular products. So let's get started.
For this project, I went straight ahead with the Cricut Card Mat system. So they have these pre-scored cards and inserts and a card mat which goes perfectly with the Cricut Joy machine. To Cricut Design Space, and there are hundreds of card templates already there for you to make one from. I selected this happy birthday one. The first step is drawing the card. So we put our pen inside the holder, and then I'm going to select my card color, and after that onto my card mat I am going to slide the card insert into the pocket. It's pretty simple. You can see here how easy it is to slide the card in. The top surface is sticky, which will hold the mat, and now I'll simply press go. Here you will see that my design is getting drawn out. It's pretty satisfying if you see it in time lapse. Once the draw part is over, the software is going to prompt you to change it into the cut part. For that, you have to simply take out your pen, and after that just put in the blade which came with the machine, lock the lash and press go. The machine has done doing its magic, and now it's time to assemble the card. From your card mat, just gently peel the card. Make sure you don't apply a lot of pressure because you may tear the card. After that, take the insert. I'm using this golden one, and I'm simply going to put it inside all the 4 corners. The card is ready, and I'm going to put it inside an envelope, and it is ready to go. I've made tons of these, and I'm going to gift it to all my friends on their birthdays and various occasions. I really love this Cricut project. For this project, I will teach you all how to make this iron-on mask. My name is Malika and people call me Mali, so I have added Mali onto it. First thing first, we will measure what is the area with which we can work on, and the smart iron-on which I'm using has a very nice glitter effect. From the design space, I've used this font called Wanderlust, and after that I wanted to add some butterflies. I've created a duplicate of this butterfly and I've added it, and I'm laying it down so that I can see how it should look on my mask. Now this is ready, and I will simply press continue and select the material as smart iron-on. Make sure you turn the mirror on. We will simply go ahead and preheat our easy press according to the guide which is given on the Cricut website. And I'm simply going to put my smart iron-on onto the light grip mat. The reason why I'm using a mat is because I don't want to waste an extra inch on the top. Once this is cut, I'll take my scissors and I will cut the strip out on which the actual design is. The smaller the design, the easier it is to work with. We will take our welding tools and we will simply peel the top layer to reveal the beautiful design which has been cut by my powerful Cricut Joy. We will prep the material by simply ironing on it for 5 seconds. And once that is done, we will simply place our transfer sheet and after that we will press it on the desired temperature for 30 seconds. We will let this thing cool off before actually taking out the plastic on top of it, and then gently remove the plastic. You can see that the iron-on has been beautifully engraved on my mask. Now I will do the same process to these two cute butterflies which I have here. My beautiful mask is ready, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the process and saw how simple it is to make customized mask. For this project, I decided to make some black and gold themed toppers. My friend, it's his golden birthday, so it was a perfect occasion. We will be using some gold foil paper, and onto the design space I've selected these topper designs and I've simply grouped them according to the color. The one on the left is gold and one on the right is black, and I'll press make it. The design is cut. Now we will go ahead and do the same thing to the black cardstock. This is also ready. We will take the cardstock off, and after that we will simply assemble it by using some school glue. I went ahead and made the gold pinwheel topper in the similar fashion and added these wooden dowels. The toppers are ready to go and they will look very pretty on the golden themed birthday. For my next project, I wanted a small bag in which I can keep my mask, so I decided to make this one with my initials on it. In the Cricut Design Space projects, I typed in luggage and I liked this particular one. I detached the design so that I can put in my initials, and then I put them together. After that, I'll simply press the button cut, and for this one I'm using this particular red smart iron-on. Once my mat is ready, I'll go ahead and press the go button and let the machine do its magic. I'll take the material off the mat and cut my design out. I will use this towel as a support base for transferring my iron-on. Make sure you take out all the small pieces from inside the design because you don't want them to transfer onto your material. Now we will simply use our easy press and we will transfer the design on top of this little bag. Once this is done, we will let it cool off and gently peel the top layer. And voila, our bag is ready. I'm totally obsessed with iron-on and I've made all these personalized goodies using my easy press. For this project, I decided to upcycle this acrylic sleeve which I had from about 5 years. We need to figure out how much area we have to work upon. So first we will measure it using a ruler. I created this pattern and then I resized it to be under 6 inches, and after that I'm simply going to group them. Press the go button and the machine will take care of this in a seamless fashion. I will be using this sampler vinyl pack. I'm sticking my black vinyl on a light grip mat. In case you don't have a light grip mat, you can directly push your material in. The only downside is that the machine will require 1 extra inch of your material. Now I will cut the area around my design out. This will make it easy to transfer. In the similar fashion, I will cut the 2 other layers of my design for the monogram, one in silver and the other one in gold. Now simply take your transfer sheet. These are reusable, so one goes a long way. You will see I will use this small piece of transfer sheet to transfer all my designs onto this purse. Sure, using a pointed tool, you take out all the bits and bits of pieces which you don't want to be part of your actual design. Using a scrapper tool, you can easily transfer your design onto the transfer tape. Once that is done, use your scrapper tool again to transfer the design onto your actual main material. After this, I will go ahead and assemble the other layers of this design which I had in my mind. Don't be impatient like me. Just make sure you use your scrapper tool properly to press your design on your material. I'm simply loving how royal this acrylic sleeve has started to look. I've added all the layers and my project is now finally complete. I hope you guys have liked this project. It's very dear to me.
You guys have enjoyed learning all these amazing projects today. If you did, please don't forget to leave a click on the like button, comment and subscribe. If you have any ideas or if you want me to do videos on any particular topic, I would be happy to do it. Please leave me a comment below. And all the products which I have used today will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.